Hello all. I am Susie, your gracious host. Welcome to all in this brand new podcast show, and I hope you all are doing great. Do you desire to have pleasant temperatures inside your room throughout the year? Then you should look for a single room air conditioner that combines cutting-edge features with the ultimate relaxation. Quit looking. When you need trustworthy and high-quality fixed AC unit solutions, go no further than Bright Air. There are several time-saving features in this cutting-edge technology. This renowned store offers items such as portable air conditioners, dehumidifiers, air purifiers, and air shower fans. They stand on their promise of next-day delivery and client satisfaction. To discover their products in detail, please visit www.brightair.co.uk. That's all for today's episode. Stay tuned for the latest updates.